Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Katie, I hope you're doing well. If you're new, then welcome. If you are returning, then welcome back. It's good to see you. Today I am going to give you a sneaky peek of my jewellery maker, four jewellery maker kits. It's my last two shows of the year. But then I will be back at the end of January. So I'm going to have a little bit of a break in the new year, which is quite nice. And so I thought I'd just crack straight on in and give you a sneaky peek. I know I didn't do the last kits because I was on television yesterday and I just could not find the time. Plus, my husband works from home sometimes and I can't get my whole rig set up ready. So it's a bit of a pain. But never mind. We're here now. We are here now. So let's jump straight on in. So tomorrow's kits, which will be the 11th of December, I had to think then, the 11th of December, I am going to be on the Late Show and it's Gemstone Day. So we have got first in one kit, we have got 10 meters of pearl coloured, silver plated, round wire, 10 meters of that in the 8.8 mil, and then we have got 10 meters of the pearl coloured silver plated round wire in 0.4 millimeters. So we have a structural base, then we have a weaving base, or something to do rosary linking with. So we have got these two fantastic reels of wire. Now within the gemstones, we have got some really fantastic gemstones. We have got quartzite, dyed quartzite, and we have got 3 different colours, and these are perfect colours. If you are starting to get creating for spring fairs, Easter, I know, we haven't had Christmas yet, but if you're a crafter and if you sell, you will be getting your things ready for next year, and you need to look at things like the Pantone colours, etc, etc. And these actually scream quite nicely of the Pantone colour of the year, which is Living Coral. So as you can see, these two dyed quartzites here are a fantastic sort of replica of that Living Coral. If you have got some coral, this would go absolutely perfectly with it. As you can see, they just tessellate fantastically, and we have got the green in here as well. So we have got 3 strands of dyed quartzite. These are fantastic size as well. These are a 6 mil, and this is a perfect size for if you want to do beady beads, if you want to do just any sort of beading, if you want to make stretches, if you just want to literally make stretches out of these and stack it up, perfect. I mean, you know, what more could you want? But that is not all. You are also getting this fantastic, now I think this is 3 mil Amazonite. Now I just love this because it has got all sorts of different colours in it. I mean, you've got like your sort of aquamarine colours going through into, we've got kind of like mottled carnelian colours. There's bits in here that look a little bit like mookaite. I mean, look at that one there. You've got one with like loads of like inclusions in, and this one here is actually half and half. That is just incredible. So you have got that as well. So we have got a real nice, we have got a lovely universal and versatile set of gemstones just there, and we have also got our 2 reels of wire, which helps tremendously because then we can create some fantastic designs with those. So that is the first kit. The second kit is, we have got 8 millimeters again of antique bronze copper wire, and that's 10 meters, and we've also got antique bronze coloured copper wire at 0.4, and there's 10 meters of that. So the same gauges as the other kit, but just a different colour. As you can see, we've got like a nice antique bronze. This is my absolute favourite colour of wire. Now alongside that, we have got these, I would call them like, if I take one out, let's have a look, see if we could take one out, shall we? Pop it on the end of one of these. See if I can do this. Pop it on the end. Open, what are you doing? we've got these like, they're like a pumpkin style antique bronze bead. Now I think we've got 20 in there, or 24, can't quite remember. Do you know what, I should print the specs off, shouldn't I? But we've got quite a few of them, so we have got those, as you can see, in a wee baggie. Like so, and then last but not least, we have got these ceramic beads, and we've got all sorts of different shapes. If I just take out a few of the shapes, you'll be able to see what I mean. These are fantastic. We've got this fantastic, like, you might be able to see it. Well, I'll pop it up there. You'll be able to see that better on my face. On my face. On my face. So there you go. We've got this like sort of cross. We've got a diamond. We've got a nice long bead here. There's all sorts. I mean, the bag is jam-packed with all sorts of different. We've even got a cross. You know, there's all sorts of amazing shapes and sizes. We've got matte, we've got gloss. So there's a real good plethora of things in here for you to work with. So we have got that as well. So that is going to be quite interesting. So those two kits are for the late show tomorrow. I have got a mid show on Sunday the 16th as well, so I thought I might as well show you those while we're here. I can't remember what the theme of the show is, but I can show you the kits. They've literally just arrived anyway, so we can do that. So to begin with, we have got 10 meters of 1mm gauge rose gold colour copper wire. Okay, perfect. And then we've got the 0.4mm in that as well, 10 meters of that. Then we have got, these are the most exquisite pearls I have ever seen in my entire life. Oh, these are exquisite. Bear with me, the dog's eating something. I need to see what he's eating. Lord knows what he was eating. But anyway, where were we? These pearls, that's right. I mean, that is a full set of pearls. I do apologise. He's just kicked the tripod. Will you just keep still? Why? If it's not the husband, it's the dogs. So we've got these fantastic pearls just here. And then along with that, we have got Swarovski crystals, and we've got some rose gold findings. So that is going to be a nice little kit. And then this kit, the next kit is, we've got rose gold findings again. We have got fantastic old school threading pack. So you've got monofilament, you've got your threading material, and you have got stretchy elastic in there. So perfect for your stretchy bracelets. I'll pop that there, pop that there, pop that there. Then we have got some more pearls. These are a ivory pearl, as you can see. Again, perfect, perfect, perfect. Just to create a necklace. So you've got that, and then last but not least, we had this on the show yesterday. Oh, and I love it. I think it's absolutely incredible. So it is a 925 sterling silver cufflink. It's not a cufflink, but you could use it as a cufflink if you've got two. The cufflink toggle clasp. So you've got the toggle clasp there with the CZ, and then you've got the CZ in that as well. So there we go. We've got those two fantastic 925 rose gold plated sterling silver toggle clasp in the kit. So that is for the 16th of December, and that's the mid show as well. So Hopefully you enjoyed that little sneaky peek. I will see you tomorrow on Jewellery Maker. I am on The Late Show, as I say. I think I'm on with Zena. Lots of fun, lots of frolics to be had. And thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, then please do subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And it is free. So, you know, if you want to click the notification bell as well, because then you will know when I upload. Thank you so much for watching. You take care of everybody else. You take care of yourself. And the world is your catwalk. And remember, keep creating!